So this is shock absorbers that I just ordered. So they're changing it on someone's 406. So this is the old ones. So the old one, the issue is they become noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So as the car is moving on rough road, we are check. We decided to change them. Hopefully the noise goes away. So these are the new ones ordered. The brand is Opay. That's what the pack says. So there's something I also want to show you guys. The timing belt, we have to change the belt. Even though the one there is actually still new, but the oil pump seal. Let me show you. That's what the pack says. So when you see here, I can see oil splashed everywhere. So that seal down there on the behind the crankshaft pulley has failed. The seal. So it's started splashing oil. Even the belt, the timing belt, is already wet. So the owner has recommended you change the belt. That belt there is, I think it's less than 4 years. If I'm not mistaken, it was changed last year. But one shouldn't take things for granted. So this is the belt we are putting. Dayco. Then this is the seal. I hope this is the right size. 0326.27 Peugeot part number. But I need to confirm to be sure this is the right one. Anyways, so that's what we'll be doing on this 406 with EW10J4 engine. Alright, so keep you guys updated. So this is the seal for the oil pump or the crankshaft pulley seal. Also regarded as oil pump seal. This is the one. This is the number 40556. I think this is the one that came with the engine. I don't think they've changed it. In other words, this should be the OEM. But man, this is hard like stone. So you can even see it has shifted inside. This is the part that actually do the work. Right? So if you are buying a seal for EW10J4 engine, now you know the number 40556. That's the number. I hope you guys have seen. Let me show it on the sunny side so I can see it. Look at it here. 40556. Anyway, so the new one has been swapped in and we checked. It's the same number. So that part number also is for that. So this is the old timing belt. Like I mentioned, it's actually new belt. I was the one that purchased and mounted it for the owner. Man, with this oil, I've even washed it with fuel, but still soaked with oil. Anyway, so I have to put the new one. Later we'll deal with the shock absorbers. So swap in the new shock absorbers. Show you guys. So this is it. Auto belt. That's the design. The most important thing, let it work. Alright.